If you're thinking about starting tattooing at home or upgrading your beginner setup, the Poseidon Tattoo Gun Kit with 7 adjustable strokes has been getting a lot of attention lately. But the real question is whether it actually delivers good performance or if it's just another flashy beginner kit. This kit comes packed with a surprisingly large bundle of accessories, including a battery-powered tattoo pen, an extra replaceable battery, 20 tattoo cartridge needles, 10 small 5ml tattoo inks plus a 30ml black ink bottle, practice skins, transfer papers, ink caps, gloves, table mats, and other essentials. So technically you can start practicing right away without needing to buy additional items. The tattoo pen itself features a lightweight aluminum body with rose gold accents and an LED display that shows real-time voltage and working status, which makes it feel a bit more modern compared to many basic starter machines. One of the standout features is the adjustable stroke system that ranges from 2.4mm to 4.2mm across 7 different settings, allowing artists to experiment with lining, shading, and packing depending on the style they're trying to achieve. The kit also includes 3 operating modes labeled M1, M2, and M3, along with precise voltage control, which can help maintain consistency when working on different tattoo techniques. Another practical addition is the dual 2,300 mAh batteries that can be swapped quickly, meaning you don't necessarily have to pause your session while waiting for charging. In terms of overall experience, the machine aims to balance versatility and convenience, especially for beginners who want a cordless setup with adjustable performance. However, like many all-in-one tattoo kits, the real value often depends on how serious you are about tattooing and whether the included accessories meet your expectations in the long run. So while the Poseidon Tattoo Gun Kit does offer a wide range of features and a complete starter package, the final results will largely depend on the user's skill level, preferences, and how well the machine fits their personal tattooing style.